Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi hauzik oiriba political crisis ase yengsinnaba AICC gi Manipur in charge Vakt Charandas numit nini gi khongsatta Imphal da thunglakre. Imphal gi Veer Tikendrajit International Airport ta hek thungbaga Paumi Singda Vakt Charandas na hai Congress manung da hauzik oiriba political crisis asiga mari leinana CLP leaders singbagi wafam leite. MPCC gi President haibase yamna thodang sauba fam amani asigumba yamna lemzaningai oiba post asi pairiba leader amana indisciplined oiba thabak tawrakpa haibase Congress party na yabangam loi hainasu Vakt Charandas na phongdokhi Paumi Singna hangba wahang amagi pau khompireduna Vakt Charandas na hai numit nini gi khongsat asi lakadoriba state assembly mikhalga mari leinana lakpani CLP leaders sinnaba Congress MLA singna demand torakpa leite masigi matangda khanabasu leite MPCC gi manungda leiba charangnaba asi haujikti mapungfana solve tawre July 16 ta BJP gi MLA taraga nithoi gi disqualification case ki tangtaba ama khanglagadabana hauzik lengak pairiba BJP gi fibam asi yengkhibatari Congress party na lakadoriba mikhal asida soidana mai paktuna lengak paigani haina Vakt Charandas na makhataki
We'll solve. We have solved most of the issues now. There is no issue now. Let me talk to our MLAs and the party people. He has done indiscipline act. The High Command is very serious on such kind of issue in the country, in any state. The indiscipline cannot be tolerated. The PCC president post is the most responsible post, head of the organization, and anybody heads that organization or our organization in any state should behave responsibly. 12 MLAs
26.
on 26, the disqualification of the BJP MLAs, parliamentary secretaries, and thereafter the fate of the government would be decided, and the Congress party is with the people of Manipur. We have always been with the people of Manipur, and we want to serve the people of Manipur. Next government would definitely be a Congress government in Manipur.
AICC gi Manipur in charge Vakt Charandas Imphal airport ta hek yorakpaga Congress ki MLA ke Meghasandra hanagi MLA ke H Ratan amadi party gi maru oiba luchingba singna okhi Vakt Charandas Imphal da hek yorakpaga Hotel Classic Grande da Congress ki MLA sing yauba mifam ama pangthokhi mifam adu loiraba matungda Wangkhem Assembly constituency gi MLA ke Meghasandrana Paumi Singh da hai political parties singi manungda chayna ba thokpa haibasi anoba wafam nate Govindas Konthauzamna president fam dagi resign tawkhibasi mahak masagi lanai gi oiba wafam ni organization gi issue nate Athuba matamda Congress party gi issue khudingmak loisilagani haina so MLA Meghasandrana makhatana phongdokhi
The resignation of our president is his individual matter. So in the letter itself, he submitted his resignation on his personal ground. So it's not related to the party organization, change of self-leaders. So it is purely his personal matter. So many senior leaders are there, many colleagues are there. Can substitute in case he resigned. That is the solely will depend to the AICC. AICC will decide shortly. That's why I'm just clarifying to you all that there will be development at tomorrow press conference. We will let you know at 11:30 a.m. tomorrow.